Yo, morning guys. I just pulled up to a DIY here in San Antonio. Stevie from yesterday's video actually hooked it up with the pin, so shout out to him. And yeah, quick update. Central Skate Shop set up a premiere for Sunday, 5 p.m. So going to be there. If you guys are in San Antonio, pop in, say what's up. But yeah, this spot looks amazing. Let me show you guys real quick. Just perfect little cement quarters everywhere. Little slappy curb. Round bar. This is pretty well built. Nice cement bench. Look, even got a little pole jam. Steep quarter. Oh man, from yesterday's slam, I woke up just not feeling good. Right on my hip. I'm like trying to put on my shoes. I can't even like put weight on that one leg. I'm sure it'll get better as the day goes on, but I mean, on the bright side, took the focus away from my knee pain. So I got that going for me. Let's see if we can get a couple clips here. Chad.
Lou. Nice to meet you.
You come here often?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I got some buddies. Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
I got some buddies, you know, that kind of from the city that just, they put shit together, you know, local skateboarders who kind of DIY'd all this stuff.
How long's it been here?
Shit, a few years already, not too long.
Yeah.
But like maybe like 4, like little by little, we just, you know, the blocks and the rails, and we put the parking blocks. And,
Yeah, that's
and the
perfect.
city was cool with it as long as we didn't build on the pillars, you know.
Oh, they gave approval? They said it was cool?
And then we did this.
It's awesome. Yeah, it's like a perfect little setup.
Yeah, it's cool. I thought it was in the rain earlier, so I came over here. Chill little spot. It's crazy. I've done like a million of those nollie backtails, but the front side ones just feel so foreign for me. Oh yeah. All right. There we go. It's actually kind of funny. I'm thinking about it as I'm trying it. I'm like, I've done like hundreds of nollie front heel tails, but just a straight nollie tail. Can't do it. That was sick. Hell yeah. I was going for it, man.
You from here?
Yeah. San Antonio. 47 years on this fucking...
47?
47 years on this planet.
Damn.
Yeah.
How long you been skating?
Like 35, since I was like, what, 12?
Wow.
I stopped for a couple of years in the 90s, and then I stopped when like 8th Street was like popping. I had like a Sal Barbier, and then I like quit skating, and then I came back into skating, and they had like these popsicle skinny boards, and I was like,
what is this?
But they make more sense. They're more ideal.
That's fine.
But yeah, ever since then I haven't stopped.
Damn.
23 years.
Chad, nice to meet you.
Lou, right?
Lou.
Nice to meet you, man.
Luis. Lou.
All right. I would never look at this parking block and think feeble, ever. Like, that is just not something that would cross my mind. For me, if I tried to feeble that, I just feel like my wheels would get stuck, I get pitched to the flat. Like, I just doesn't, I don't know how he did it so easily, but yeah, I wouldn't even think that's feebleable. I mean, everything's feebleable, but all right, since the second I walked in, I've just been eyeing up this feeble over this gap right here. I mean, it doesn't look that big, but in person, that's pretty big. That's like borderline like a feeble fakie I would put in my video part. Like, it's got a decent size to it, and I don't know if you could tell, but it's got that big chunk there. So you kind of either, you got to get lucky and make it over it, or you got to go even further past it where it's smooth. All right, let's kick around the few. Yeah, I'm good. I don't know. Oh. Okay. Look at that. It's really hard to stay on top of this one because there's no coping to kind of hold you on there. So when you go to sit on it, it's easy for that wheel to slip out. Oh yeah. That's exactly what I was talking about. All right. Ah, that was it. All right. Sticking it right here. I mean, I didn't get a clean rollaway, but I didn't eat it, so that's a win. Usually when you're doing tricks on like a steep barrier, there's usually 1 or 2 tries at least where you like try to come in and get pitched. So I'm just like, that didn't happen. All right, gotta do one more. That's kind of what I was talking about. Yep. Should have just took the last one. All right, now I'm shook. First one's looking better and better. Ow! Yep. Ah, my knee. Ah. Could have walked away with nothing. Ah. I mean, I still rode into the rocks, but definitely felt a little more cleaner, more stable of a ride-away. All right, one more. Oh! You know what? I'm taking the last one. Oh, come on. Last one, I swear. There we go. I don't know why, but I just had to get that clean right away. It might not look that big on these iPhone angles, but it's intimidating when you're here with like the no coping aspect and mainly the gap in between. It's like psychological. You feel like when you mess up, you're gonna like hit into the next ramp or fall down, like you don't have transition to run down the same way. So it like, yeah, psychologically makes it a little more hard, but yeah, I felt good. I'm psyched I got that. The second I skated into this place, that's the first thing I looked at. You know, sometimes it's tough when you're by yourself to get, like to do a trick where you're pushing yourself, you know? It's a different kind of push. Because when you have friends there or someone else pushing, it really could just get you psyched, get in the mood, other people, like you feeding off the energy. when you're by yourself, those slams, like they hurt more. Yeah, it's harder to like just want to go for something. Okay, I think I'm done at this spot. Let's go figure out what the next one is. Okay, just pulled up to Hayes Street Skate Park. I'm pretty sure this is a brand new park, or just opened a couple of months ago. And yeah, bunch of locals, bunch of people told me to hit this place. So yeah, let's go check it out. Yo.
I just started back right now.
Nice.
I'm trying to get back into it.
When'd you start again?
Well, I started like a year ago.
Okay.
And I skated for like 4 months with my homeboy. And then he quit on me, so I quit again. And then like the last maybe month, I've been skating again, like kind of consistent, yeah.
What got you back into it? Park?
Bro, there's nothing like it. There's nothing like it. There's no other feeling.
It's true.
But there's things that I like doing more than skateboarding. But there's nothing that gives you the same fulfillment as like doing something like that right there. Like, bro, that made my whole day right there.
Well said.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Nothing fucking.
Oh.
Yeah. And it's not to say there's not things I like more, but there's just nothing that's the same.
What was your name again?
John David.
Chad. Nice
to meet you, man.
Yeah. All right, guys. Fun little park. I was way more tired than I thought I was, though. I think it's starting to add up. I don't think that session in particular completely wore me out, but just like the days are catching up to me a little bit. So yeah, fun session though. It was a good time. Cool dudes, always meeting cool people at the park. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.